Mamema wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so meeting ede adjoa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some bell on so. Ube a notification and some echo so or may be a beati and as a be a share a war GCN page ha. Efia pokia vim lady and na okase na do for yen say. Efia pokia eba journalism working muache ye papa. Na odi politics nso achi. Into when it comes to political analysis, the oyadi and kasankasa. Then never saw fire any on Faho NDC no MPP no be fire one kasankasa on once is so. Now if you're poking and you from Waka Canadrin, Waka Canadrin, the actually a year Honorable Samuel Okojato Ablakwa, Waka Canadrin actually your papa or Chazaho. Now Okojato Ablakwa no bad politics in Nahi. Oh yes, so more boy or politics in Usha crab politics main chain. Ain't fact respect. For Obuna need be a sefata farmer a honorable Haruna Indusu, our minority leader, the mind this Amayoko Parliament House. Fanny no boo for mano. Neja de Ochanaba politics match. Then a Fiapokia HSM, what tonable, I research every day about a year Haruna Indusu, or bar politics match, or buy no, now Okojato Ablakwa, or Yabo Frau, only as over politics. Then the old papa name by your fame. Now I know any Fiapokia HSM. Aho, a year. Honorable Haruna and Bruce Zoyan this for day. Onyan this for then a modern when you see papa no win, dear modern at the end of modern when you see who and a papa is when your power. When you're to me, or you're known, needing quetchy, ne political career no quetchy, a mouth for penasem, into your tiny hoyan and the brain and this form of the sir. And the Haruna and Bruce why you say, or China why you say, if you're okay, chess, Haruna and Bruce, or your Neduma ye papa as minority leader, because minority leader be a sign as away. Sa ena eye honorable OCHM Sabonsu a yes swami for MP or call parliament house ache papa tama na MPP for opposition ano ye minority leader no kasa anything no de be popular e wo Ghana hanom enti munja eye honorable Haruna Ndrusu no ye nadwuma na de enti afia pokua e fire ina eye honorable Samuel Okojato Ablakwa sesi no wa resign e afia ye committee omo ye ministers ne vetting also on ye vetting bi because en sem bi e koso parliament house on nye and yet because NDC phone come up 10 and say has see na Ghana photo abana say parliament house or more pie 37 de na NDC phone be hadwe papa na so nia MPP food baby a kamia kwese NDC phone ditu ho akoyensem na de ade a ye honorable Samuel Okojato Ablakwa wa tro letter so ne de committee no ntumi adwuma wo so bi nti wa fim den na afia pokia fire se ni na e your tiny ahoya ni na enkomra Haruna Ndrusu Odimu akwete and some MPP food baby almost support it and if you poke say your tana ho ya ne bre and na NDC for sent omunja e honorable Haruna Ndrusu na oye na adwuma ne ntin se ma afia poke a de etuga.
There's a coup d'etat in the minority in parliament. A coup na Ablakwa maye no. This hatred for Haruna Ndrusu, I don't understand. Me Haruna Ndrusu onya madam for I don't know him, but I have read and followed the politics of Haruna Ndrusu, now the minority leader. There are very few politicians, sir, who do you money eating men, Sanon President Rollins Mokoye. Omobeka said they have taken the mantle of MDC and pushed the forefront, sir. Haruna Ndrusu is one of the people who you can say, young politician, what being? You people are more NDC for MPC. You went to parliament to vote. Now you want to make it look like Haruna Ndrusu no Bonemewa. The kind of opposition Haruna Ndrusu why the minority leadership that Haruna Ndrusu is doing, I don't know the onye beam. Aya time, aya envy, aya all those people are saying, including Madam for Razmubrak, Madam for Pa, but Razmubrak, oh, this is a vote of no confidence in Haruna, the minority. It is not true. This is not a vote of no. Now Haruna Ndrusu started politics. Now Okojato Ablakwa way. Haruna Ndrusu or starting politics, student politics, 1995. No, Okojato Ablakwa, not our head. Please give respect to Haruna Ndrusu. Who opposition? Your biggest, most powerful arm, your minority. MPP for opposition, no. And James Abos with the very popular, no. The biggest arm of the party was minority in government at the time, in parliament at the time. Now NDC in opposition. Your biggest, most powerful tool is the minority. Just say, to Ghana Web. And then me ba the fire pan and ya kodiji so. Ghana Web mu nim na mu misquote me. I will so bloody sue you. Ebe mo watie. Final warning. Nkofo wa your imagine say every day Every day they will deliberately misquote. Now, lady, what you metia? Okay, and say, oh, you spoke Chi and we are just interpreting. And the Chi are Latin, Chi are Latin, Chi no are Greek, Chi no are Arabic. Now say Arabic cry a Latin so your chart. If you misquote me, more Ghana web, you are found more pen numbers in the more pen conform Baba Ghana web, Baba did even lady at time. I say final warning Ghana web. If you deliberately misquote me, misrepresent, I will so bloody sue you. The court is there for a reason. Tina Masha that kind of so that you don't go and say, oh, can you chin? Yes, if you misinterpret, misrepresent, misquote, misinterpret what I'm saying, I will so bloody sue you, Ghana web. Money mon crown above one now, come on a small website now. My imagine some there. They be hours have been ready then one. It's Yabaka NDC as some idea at Tonoso. Yabaka and people as some day at Tonoso, and Uncle Fabe dinner them. And you don't even care about the reputation of Nipana. Open and
represent your company. Ya wadie ni na ho kwan papa. Mr. Sapon, ya will be bia ho kwan. But in ni na ene fata yen. Wuti way. Untumi nka nkyere me say despite media. Presenters ye wo ho, workers ye wo ho, womu ni na hu bia na se hu independent bi. When who MPP ni, when who independent bi oye adwuma wo ho anase obi kura won to aba anase obi kura to aba ma akuadonko somebody like Adaka Brefrempon oye adwuma ma despite media na meboa Adaka Brefrempon was supposed to be a running mate for akuadonko. Why is all these people wo ho Nenso Mr. KK Sapon went to me and choose mumu bia nembo mu bekwa kofa wo bia wunim pefe sa mudi ni dim beto abontia e the problem ebeba MPP mu. Why do you guys do this? Papa, why do you people do this? Wunim pefe se onipa a wodi ni bedi sa adwuma we no we gina simpie so aye campaign aye video atondwom abo concert e dey support one candidate who is in opposition, doing and planning and trying everything they can to destroy Nanado. Then you go and give him such a key. We have celebrities in MPP. We have superstars in MPP. We have Samini who even just did a song for MPP. He still looks good. He still is appealing. He is still knowledgeable. And, you know, what would have stopped Mr. KK Sapon from even appointing somebody like Eja Kwabena or even appointing somebody like what? Vim lady because only there sometimes no can actually throw be bad. Into there, let's find somebody and cover problem but you rather go and select somebody, a well-known NDC, somebody who has stood on a platform to discredit the effort of the president in this fight to this whole problem, this whole pandemic, where Gina platform so I criticize the president to say MPP are buying any she. Na yakote trust funder, eja eba ni saying, and despite media, yet just said that na ya wasare, chairman general, one then mami ya kuna do adwa ya bu eje, just say you people have so many. Ago ni hwanum ejako omuni na ayi your friend is saying double num just say there are so many people we have. Doctor, these are people you call to do commercial for you to make your company money, but you don't find them worthy on sitting on such a board, but you rather go bring somebody that you know very well, because to me in say you didn't know this would arise. Knowing very well the job Abeku Santana has done against MPP. Now Okochu will be out of despite emanene government abeye adwuma. Wosi wonipa wonunya government na said wo bebo nituo no wono look at the names Dan Kwaku Yeboah. So what you say Dan Kwaku Yeboah, there are so many brilliant people. Diana Samoa because board no so keke no mo kwotena Abeku okwo ho no won kwasen san yi bia board no so keke no mo kwotena kire wadwene keke no kwotena nti Mr. Sapon Nanado why am den? I just want to know, what has Nanado done to people like Nanado Ekufuado papa no why am den? Hey, ono ane Flagstaff force fu miano. Hey, ono ane communicators ba na egbu ni kom. Hey, one MPC nkoye campaign na yes yenye. Hey, one just say oh my god, man, nana presidency won. Enye nyame na de man wanka. I don't think sanka bit me stand it. Mobo. Mobo. Just say obia agenda, obia orchestration has to be against Nanado. Me pacho NDC MPP. Obi o Ghana. Oto aba won to aba. Me sremo. Asem we munyima no me pacho. Nana Akufo-Addo. Ghana ni ben sika. Ene ye de tete Nana Akufo-Addo anase ye de train school. Anase Nana Akufo-Addo. Ghana ni ben ene de no ko international school we dia university man tu kwan mentia se. O papa mi amana medi ade ancho. Se no. O papa bedi ade no so bedi ade no ene ha mo. O papa ni mu no wendi ade anche. Ene busua no mu wo sika dada. Enti sika ben. Nanso ya wo ya de aban sika.